Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I got today. I ripped open the package inadvertently, not thinking maybe there was another box inside, but we're going to open it up together because I didn't finish opening it. So we're going to check this out. I'll show you what it is. It's supposed to be like a lighting set, so it's going to be really cool. So let's see. So it comes with a bunch of these. Holy cow, look at all these. More and more and more and more. And these are going to be lights. And they're going to make like these hexagon lights. And let's see, here we go. So here's the connector pieces for it. More connector pieces. I think it's good. It should make, see this, like that, the hexagons for it. So we're going to put this into the garage, eventually is where it will be. And it's going to be able to set it up like this. So here's the manual so you guys can see what it looks like. There. And then here, if you need it, probably pause and zoom in. Let's see how we do this. And it comes with a whole bunch of zip ties, I guess, so we can zip tie things together. Comes with, looks like, what does it have here? Oh, 2-volt wires. Oh, this one here to hardwire it in, I guess, if you wanted to really wire it into the ceiling light, which I might do. But this one here, we're going to plug it in here for now. Comes with a bunch of little clips, I guess, so you can mount it to the ceiling with these clips. And screws and the anchors for them, so a bunch of those. And that's everything in the box. So that's going to give this thing a try. We're going to try to connect it together here on the floor, and we'll see how it goes. So let's just check this out. Without even reading some instructions, we're going to give this thing a little bit of a try. So it looks like we have a bunch of, let's see, we have two different types. We have the types like this that are a 3-way, and then we have a 2-way. So I guess the 2 ways are going to be the outside edge, and the 3 ways will connect them on the inside. And boy, it looks pretty simple. You can just see you've got the plug and the male and female side, so it'll just be like sticking it in there. Boy, there we go. So there we have one in, and there's no way to really do it wrong. It only goes in one way, so the lights are going to shine down that way. So this is how it will be. So there's we got a set here, and now let's see if we want to go this way. So we'll go there, and how cool is this? This is like a fun little thing to put together. Okay, and then there's one there. I'm guessing we're going to end up with more of these angles than the other ones. So we'll do one whole circle. How about that? I think we have enough of everything to do this. This is going to go there. That's it. And this. I'm excited. I can't wait to plug it in. So far, we've got this much done. And how's it going to go? One. So this outside one will be to, oh, actually, it'll go to halfway and then there. If it's this one, I'm just trying to see because I think I'm going to need another. This is going to have to be a 3-way if I'm going to be doing this the right way. And then down there. And then there. I'll show you what I'm talking about here in a minute, why I did this like this. Actually, so we have a big circle here, but I think we're going to have to go off on there. So let's try to get this thing plugged in and see how it goes. I guess it's just going to plug into one of the ends, so let's see what one of the ends looks like. Let's turn it around so you guys can see it here. We're going to do this together. We'll put it up against the wall. This way. We've got to get one of the ends near me. Okay, so you guys can kind of see it. Let's plug this in. Oh, that's not going to fit in there. I guess it fits the other way into one of these. Okay, so there's that. So I guess it fits into one of those. Plug it in and see what happens. Oh, holy mackerel, that's pretty bright. Oh, wow, that looks so cool. Okay, that's just one hexagon, and look how cool that looks. Okay, so this is cool. So I can't wait to go and get all the rest of them going and put it up in the ceiling. So But you get the concept of how it works, and they're really nice, and it's bright. I mean, I might even just want to put it on the wall here as decoration. I bet you the little girl upstairs is going to want this on her wall as decoration, but we'll see. So, but that's how it looks. So it's super cool. Thumbs up for me. It is the CDKMAX, I guess is the brand, and it's the uh, CDKMAX-Light. I guess is it, but CDKMAXLED.com is their website too. But whatever, it's thumbs up from me. Links in the description. Like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back with some more reviews soon. Super cool.